How's it going, guys? Colin here with Trax RC, and today we have our Axial SCX10 to Deadbolt, and we're going to take it onto the trail, see how it does. So let's get started. So this was our first time taking the Deadbolt on this particular trail, and just some of the things that we picked up right away were that you could definitely tell that not having portal axles definitely affects it. As you guys saw, it got hung up on rocks a couple of times, but other than that, it made it up everything pretty easy. The tires, these are really good tires, they worked pretty well. It's just an overall awesome trail truck. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Trax RC.